whoa, okay. Well, they're gonna tip. I did use my electric duster yesterday. Here we go. All for you, Tink. No, it's powder I make. All right, we had low battery, but we're back in business. Is it lagging? I know my battery, I got the low battery. So it did that for a second. Are we good? Okay. Yeah, I got the low battery. Okay, good. And then my finger was too wet. I didn't want to go off as quick as I normally can get it off. Oh, my phone dies so quickly, I can't stand it. No, it's not chalk powder I use. You guys love me, you really love me. I'm gonna do a round of orange and green. That's gonna be really pretty. Don't you tip on me. Peek up. I love the neon ones. And Micah's. To buy it's $8 a bag, for the live it's $6. Right. That was pretty. Hey, Natty. Oh, it is giving sherbet, you're right. I really liked the green mix with Foca yesterday. That was pretty. Right? I think that's what we mixed. Yeah, you just message me. I'm hoping maybe after the holidays I'll have a website, but right now I just launched on Saturday. So we are... Yes. Which... just gotta sit there. Oh, thank you, Natty. I love you guys. You know, truth be told, I have, since last week, I refuse to watch the chat. I just want to vibe. I just want to, you know, I look at what's pinned, maybe the comment below it. I can't anymore. That was exhausting last week. Just kind of out of sight, out of mind for me. They got me acting crazy last week. I was like, never again. The green is nice. Thank you for the heart puffs, my lady. Aww, thank you. Let's do something. Clear display. You do not have to watch the comments. There. I love you. Sing it, girl. Bring those positive vibes out. Oh, I'm sorry.